So it's Ashley and Christine. Yeah, so we are done with our first subject, which is English. And this is Joanna. Yeah, kasali siya sa vlog natin. So, for today's video, we're gonna talk about crush ko. Okay. We'll talk about sige. So, one thing that I love about him is this so handsome. Char. Okay, so, tapos, ano siya, oh, smart siya. Pero hindi talaga smart talaga. Like, so, char. We're doing, ay, pero guys, ano siya, oh, medyo gentleman. So, hindi pa sisilat pa, uwi kami ko. Hello. Hoy, hindi ako ganyan. Yes. So, ako po ay medyo crazy and not as sophisticated as you would see in my appearance. I am a very weird person. Yeah. We all are weird. Yeah. We have the sense of unhinged, cringe personality. Okay, our math teacher is here. Bye.